Aditya, which standard are you in?
Sir, I am in 7th standard.
So, what's your goal?
Sir, my goal is to do aerospace engineering.
Who inspired you?
Sir, the Apollo mission.
Okay.
The person is Abdul Kalam. The
Hmm.
mission which I was inspired was Apollo mission.
Okay. Okay. So that means you will be doing aeronautical engineering.
Yes, sir.
Which college?
Sir,
Which college you plan to do?
sir, I have not planned for that still. I am looking for Bangalore.
Oh, nice. Okay. Let me just share one screen and then start asking some questions. Okay. Before this, how many of you have now you have to just put it in the chat window. Just I see 18 of you are here. Just put which LLM you have used. Is it ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude? Just put the name of the LLM in ChatGPT in your chat window. All of you. Vijayaditya, Grok, Pradeep, Claude. Claude spelling. Pradeep, can you just put the correct spelling of Claude? You can ask Claude itself or Google. Jan, you are a superstar. Anju, Haya is used ChatGPT. Pradeep, I am waiting for you to put correct spelling. Manjula Shivanna, DeepSeek. Manjula Shivanna, is it student or are you a lecturer, ma'am?
Sir, this is Sumukh, sir. I'm joining from my mother's mobile.
Okay, what did you use DeepSeek for?
Sir, for some basic coding projects.
Then you put other LLMs. No, it's not DeepSeek alone. You have used ChatGPT,
Yes, sir.
Gemini, put all those things.
Okay, sir.
So good to see you, Sumukh, after a long time.
Thank you, sir.
You are in which standard now?
Sir, I'm in 8th standard.
Wow, you have come to high school.
Yes, sir.
So, what made you to join today's session? I didn't see you in the last few sessions. What interested you in today's session?
Sir, about the LLMs and all about coding AI.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yes, sir.
Very cool. Yeah, good to see all of you. Who is the youngest here? Seventh, Vijayaditya. Anybody less than seventh standard?
Sir, I have my classmate Pradeep Raj.
Pradeep, yeah, that's good. Pradeep is also seventh, right?
Yes, sir, that is right.
Yeah, anybody is in sixth standard or fifth standard, younger than seventh standard? Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ash Spriha. You are also in seventh, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to talk about AI. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So Vijayaditya, Pradeep, Spriha, you are the youngest. You are okay?
Yes, sir.
So you are not scared that it will take away your learning?
Sir, you are excited.
Excited, but
Sir,
it also has some
no,
challenges.
sir, no, we can't ask anyone if we are the youngest to learn or what. We should have the responsibilities to learn and become successful in life.
Who taught you that?
Sir, I only have that knowledge.
No, you are too young to tell that. Either your mom or your teacher, one of them has taught you.
Sir, no, nobody is with me.
No, that's okay, but somebody has taught you that sentence, even if not today, last week or last year.
No, sir, nobody taught me.
I didn't know how to talk that when I was in 7th standard. Anyway, good that you are aware that that's happening. So let me give some additional information about AI. So, yeah. Okay. So here is our purpose. Let's see what all here. This is good. And no prize for guessing. I use ChatGPT to generate this. You know, you can create images in ChatGPT, right? All of you.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
even in college.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. All the LLMs will generate. Don't worry. It's not about whether you can generate or not, but what I'm going to talk about this. Why I have put AI coach in front of the computer, laptop, which they are staring at. Why am I calling as a coach?
Sir, because we should learn what is in AI and what we should do in AI.
Okay, that's good. So AI should be used only as a coach. It is just to validate your understanding. But who has to do the thinking?
Us, sir.
As sir.
Okay, that's good. All of you are, yeah, that's the ground rule. Thinking you cannot outsource. Okay. So, however tempting it is, for example, this picture, if I have to write, yes, I may not be able to write it so nicely. But in this case, I'm not competing for a best picture competition, so it's okay. Otherwise, if I am competing in the best pencil sketch competition, then definitely I should not use ChatGPT to generate it for me. I have to practice. So that's okay. So now our purpose, Vijayaditya, can you explain what I have put in the first sentence to empower students? Can you give the meaning in simple words?
Build confidence and
No,
self.
no, no. Just the first sentence to empower students to think. What does it mean?
Sir, to empower means to make children to think critically.
Spriha, what do you understand by empower?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by when I say to empower? Our purpose is to empower students to think, explore, and build skills. What do you understand by that?
Sir, to encourage students to think, explore.
That's good. Why I use empower? What is the difference between empower and encourage? There's a difference, right? There's a difference between encouraging and empowering. Let's see if Pranati, what's your response?
Sir, to give them the power.
Yeah, give
Sir,
them the power means you should be able to do on your own.
Yes.
Okay, that's what is mean by empower. Whereas encourage means protsahisado. So that means to, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. So like that, it is cheering from the side. So, so, so giving, yeah, courage. So,
authority and confidence.
whereas empower means we are going to empower means you are going to feel confident that you yourself can do it. So we want you to think on your own. For example, when I'm not there or your teacher is not there, mother is not there, you should also be able to learn and do the things. Explore means if it is not in front of you, you should know where to search for and how to find it. It also means you can also discuss and learn from your friends. Build skills that transform their future. What do you mean by transforming your future? And well-being of their family and community.
Giving them the opportunity to change their life and improve their life.
Wonderful. Let's see if Rangapur student Haya has a different definition. Yeah, Haya, tell me, what do you mean by we are going to empower you to transform your future and well-being of your family and community. What does it mean to you? This question is for Haya from Rangapur, or you are in Kotur. Pradeep, just wait. Let me see if Haya can speak. Looks like Haya is not there. Yeah. Yeah, Pradeep, go ahead. Pradeep, go ahead. Pradeep Raj. What does it mean? What do you mean by we are going to empower you to transform your future and well-being of your family and community? Let's see if Alam, what's your answer? Aditya, I will come. Alam, what's your answer?
So you're giving to you're helping us to keep that to have that power for transforming our future.
Sir,
Oh,
we should use the
yeah, go ahead.
sir, I am traveling on the road. May I exit the class, please?
Or you can be on mute. You can listen.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Bhavana Yadav, go ahead.
Yes, means taking positive actions today to build our health, safety, and success for our loved ones and neighbors.
Wonderful. So, do you think you can do it? Because this is a very big world, no? You can also care about your family and community.
Yes, sir, maybe I can.
Okay, which standard you are in?
I am grade 11, sir.
You are also in Rangapur, is it?
Yes, sir.
What's your name? Bhavana Yadav, is it?
Yes, sir, Bhavana Yadav.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, that's good. Then build, Vijayaditya, I will come for the next question. I got the answers anyway. So we are going to help you to build confidence and self-belief. What is the difference between confidence and self-belief?
Confidence is when you enter in a room believing that you have the ability to answer the questions to do a particular task. You are confident in it. And
Hmm.
self belief is when you are doing something and you believe in yourself that I will do it, definitely.
Wow. You are in which second semester or first semester, Umra?
I'm in first semester, sir.
Wonderful. You are very confident.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. So develop practical life and career skills. That's straightforward. Use AI responsibly. What is that? Let's ask youngsters. Who can say that? Pranati, can you say? Can you tell us what is using AI responsibly means?
So using it in a correct way according to our needs.
Yeah, that's good. Means we should not misuse. Is that okay?
Yes, okay, sir.
For example, if it gives a shortcut, if it directly gives an answer, we should not use it. So, yeah, Sumuk, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So we should, as you said, we should not misuse AI. We should not take the answers for our homework or any questions directly from AI and just write them in our book because that will kill our critical thinking.
Yeah, that's good. So, now I assume all of you would like to be the best version of yourselves.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
means that means there is no point you following a shortcut and do a disservice to yourself. So whatever it is, options when your teacher or me or anybody tells you this is the right way to go, you have to go in that way. However tempting is the shortcut. So it is like if the traffic light turns green, even if there are, sorry, if it turns red, even if there are no vehicles going, you are not supposed to cross the road. Red means stop. So it's like that. So when we say you should not use AI in this aspect, you should not use. That's all it means. Okay. So you have to use it as a coach and a partner. We will come to that. Create opportunities for higher education and careers. So who can say, elaborate on this? How can it help in opportunity? How can it create opportunities for higher education?
Sir, while we are searching different colleges based on our interests and based on our goals, we can use AI to find specific colleges.
Yeah, that's good. But is it only finding specific colleges, or will it also
No,
help
sir.
you to upskill?
While planning for a business, it can help us to plan on budget in a very smart way.
Hmm.
And it can tell us how much profit we can minimum make and how to handle the risk as well.
Yeah, that's good. Vijayaditya, what's your answer?
Sir, it is like an assistant intelligence which
Hmm.
it will assist us the right way in a good manner to take up our career.
That's good. So then become change makers in the community. What is this? Umrah, what is this change maker?
Sir, we should be the change, like we should evolve and we should go beyond the limitations our community has set to us.
Okay. So change maker means what? You will wait for somebody to tell you to do what, or you will only decide what is good for the community?
I would decide it, but I would also take advices from the elder people and the people with more knowledge than me, and then I would follow it.
Okay, okay. I see some new people. Vismita Gowda. Is that your name?
Yes, sir.
You are in which standard?
Second semester CSEIML in Malnad College.
Wonderful. Thanks for joining. Is this the first session you are joining?
No, sir, second session.
Okay, okay. Good. Vox Akuma. Is that your name? Vox? So, okay. Let's. Kirti ma'am, good evening. Thanks for joining.
Good evening, sir.
So good to see your students know everything about AI. I thought they may not know.
They had class about AI, sir. That's why they know some.
Who taught them?
Yeah, me only, sir. They have some concepts of AI.
Okay. So now let's get into a bit challenging one. So that okay, let me cancel for now. Huh? So now no talking, just you have to put it in the chat window. Okay. All of you lower your hands. Lower all. Yeah. I'm going to watch chat window now. Now tell me what is a prompt in the context of AI. I want you to just put it in the chat window. Everybody, including seniors who are here. Rashmi, Priya, everybody. Just put what is a prompt. From there, I'm going to develop. That's why that information is crucial for me, so that I know where to start. Some advice or guidance for AI to generate something. So that's good, Tamanna. So Tamanna, have you heard about prompt engineering?
No, sir.
Yes or no? You can just, that's good. So prompt is designed a way of asking questions to AI. Pranati, that's good. Shivani, in AI prompt is Shaitra Prasam. You're in which standard? Shaitra, you're in which standard? Your voice is breaking. You can put it in the chat itself. Which standard and which college, which school? Just can you put it in the chat? Chaitra Prasam, Pasam. Okay. So it's for giving introduction, set of instructions to give any LLM. That's good. So basically, it also needs a language, right? You have to communicate with AI. Now I'm communicating in English. So you also need to tell AI, like all of you have used Siri. Hey Siri, do something. For example, in my room, I have connected Siri to my home network and Wi-Fi, and it can switch on or off the lights. And similarly, I can control my TV. So like that, I can tell, for example, Siri may not understand Kannada because probably I have not tested after they have integrated with Gemini. Probably it can understand. But so far, Siri, Apple has supported only English. Whereas these LLMs started, Vijayaditya, what is HTML?
Sir, a program which is taught in our CS, that
No. Why did you type HTML? I didn't ask about HTML. No, I'm just curious to know what made you do. Are you referring to what we are discussing about prompt? Is HTML do anything to do with prompt?
sir, no, they are told this is a computer language which we can translate into computer language.
Yeah, that's a language which can help computer to understand to display something. But HTML itself cannot do too much about like how what our prompts can do. Prompt is something which guides AI to perform tasks and how to structure its output. Okay, good. At least some of you knows what is prompt. Anyway, this is a common definition. We will just stick to it. Prompt is a way in which you give instructions to any LLM, that is the large language model. For example, ChatGPT is a LLM or Gemini. Any of these LLMs will understand these prompts. Now, let's understand what is a prompt. Can one of you type an example of a prompt? Just type an actual prompt. Give me, let's see if you know what is a prompt. I want you to type an actual prompt, not the definition of prompt, so that I know how you know about prompt. Create me an image with 2 cartoon characters. Skanda, Anil, that's good. Others? Or tell me, type a prompt which you have used this week. I'm sure all of you are using one or other prompt. So Sumuk, you can type a recent prompt which you typed on DeepSeek.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's little long. So, shall I type the long prompt only, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If you already have it, you can copy paste. That's okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you make me a PPT on solar system with? So Satyaprakash Singh, did you use it for which LLM did you use that PPT for solar system?
Sir, I use for PPT in school on life skills program.
No, which LLM? Is it ChatGPT?
Gemini, sir.
Okay, got it. So Shravani is telling create 10 multiple choice questions on human digestive systems with answers. So Shravani, why did you ask answers also with the multiple choice question?
Like, so I want when I wanted to answer some questions, I will be in confusion. So I wanted the AI to answer those questions.
Okay, you are in which standard?
So grade 9.
Hassan, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Umra is telling remove unwanted objects from the background of the following picture. Umra, which LLM did you use this with?
Sir, I used to chat GPT.
Okay. Dinesh Karthik is telling, give me some quick quiz on sports. Wow. I hope you are not a cricketer, Dinesh Karthik. So, Dinesh Karthik, do you like cricket?
Yes, sir.
Which standard you are in?
Ninth standard.
Wonderful. What hippocampus, Malnad, is it? Hassan.
HSR, sir.
Okay, good. So, give me some quick quiz on sports. Is it zero shot? Okay, now let me share my screen.
What, sir?
Is it zero shot prompt? Have you heard about this? Anybody has heard about zero shot prompt?
Sorry, sir. Good evening, Kiran, sir.
Hey,
We
madam.
have not heard about zero shot. We would like to know about it.
Yeah, that's why I'm just want to know. Looks like Pranati has heard about it. Pranati, really.
Yes, sir. Zero shot prompt means you don't give any examples. You just type what you want.
Okay. How do you know? Other than the document I had shared, did you know before that?
Yes, sir. I saw some recommendations.
Okay, nice. So, yeah, Pranati is in 8th standard. She is in Whitefield. You're in 8th, right, Pranati?
Yes, sir. 8th standard.
Okay. So, who is this single shot instructions? Okay. Sumuk has given entire user manual. Cool. Good, man. What does this Python do?
Sir, it's just for detecting my hand, sir.
Cool. So, yeah. Sumuk, you are in 9th, right? 9th or 8th?
Sir, 8th standard, sir.
Standard. Okay. Which school?
Sir, NET Public School.
Your teachers are okay for you with you generating Python code, is it?
Sir, I quite don't know, sir.
Now you know I'm not okay. If you do that, your Python learning will take a back seat.
Yes, sir.
Intentionally, I'm going slow. I could have generated a Python code in front of all of you. Then your Python session will go for a toss. No?
Yes, sir. I just used it for guidance, sir.
It doesn't matter. Even guidance, it will be so tempting. So you will, because you should know what does that CV2 destroy mean. Okay, from first principles.
Yes,
And
sir.
all windows. So you cannot just take it and move on in life. Okay. So yeah,
This is
please.
actually a single shot prompting technique, sir.
No, we'll come to that. Don't skip. So all others have not even heard zero shot. No, you cannot just go fast. So, but anyway, in your own interest, please do not generate Python code at 8th standard, because you have to learn all the foundation blocks. Otherwise, you will stop learning. For example, today my English learning has stopped altogether because I'm not consciously attempting. Unless we consciously attempt to improve our skill, nothing will improve. So by default, nobody is interested to enhance your skills. So you have to put extra effort. Anyway, now let's get into the definition of prompts. So generative AI is not a search engine. What is give me an example of search engine? Just shout out. Anybody can shout out.
Google.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any other search engine? Sumuk, you have to be.
Microsoft.
What is the Microsoft search engine called?
Sir, Chrome, sir.
Chrome is not Microsoft.
Edge.
Firefox, sir.
It's not search. Edge is a browser.
Copilot.
Copilot is an LLM.
Firefox.
That's a browser.
Mozilla Firefox.
Spriha, that's a browser. I'm asking for a search engine.
Sir,
What's
Brave
Microsoft?
search engine.
What's the Microsoft search engine? Vishal Gowda. Vishal Gowda, you are in which standard? Vishal Gowda is right. Which standard you are in, Vishal?
Sir, Yahoo.
Bing.
Yeah.
It's Bing. Microsoft search engine is Bing.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, Yahoo is also search by Yahoo. Company name is Yahoo.
Sir,
Okay.
Brave.
What is that?
Sir, Brave, it's a search engine, sir.
Okay, okay. So now when I say, Sumuk, you have to just wait for a while. I want others also to answer. So when I say generative AI is not a search engine, then what? Umra, when I make this statement, generative AI is not a search engine, what is that then? But it can still act like Google.
Yes,
And
sir.
look at the first statement. Most users fail because they treat it like Google.
Ah, yes, sir.
So what do you mean by treat it like Google?
Asking everything, like every question.
Yeah, like how I asked, let's say, what is the name of the search engine by Microsoft? You need not have to go with LLM because LLM is expensive. Just because they are giving it free doesn't mean that you have to use
Yeah.
it. It is
Yes,
like
sir.
having a car at home. You have to go and buy, let's say, your vegetables from a shop which is just 50 meters away.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot just keep taking car everywhere. It's same as LLM. LLM has to go and execute and it has to generate afresh, even
Yes,
though
sir.
it might act like it's searching, but it generates afresh and it has to go through the computer and the compute engine. So it's quite expensive. Somebody else is burning. So actually, you are burning a lot of electricity. So you're not making the earth green. More you
Yes,
use
sir.
LM and more you are generating heat.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So now let's, to unlock 40 to 50% productivity gain prompted by Industry 5.0, executives, educators, stop treating. Okay, don't worry about the definition. We will move on. Now let's get into zero shot prompting. Zero shot prompting is the beginner level. That means without even thinking, whatever I ask, just go and put it. For example, you see a problem, you don't understand, then you just go and ask, explain this problem. Or what is the answer of this? So it is like whatever question you have, just go and paste it. That's all it means in zero shot. So for example, it's given, write a disciplinary email to the students or write a leave letter to my teacher. This is all zero shot. You are not thinking anything. You are not defining your context. Okay. So this, even though it works, let me just bring up LLM, ChatGPT. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate zero shot. So just say, write a leave letter for tomorrow. So this also, it will produce something. Let's see what it will produce. So tomorrow is 23rd. Okay, yeah, today's date is 23rd. Leave request for 24th. Dear sir, madam, I request you to kindly grant me leave for tomorrow, 24th August, due to personal reason. I would be grateful for your approval. This is technically correct, but is this the appropriate way to use LLM?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So let's ask some of the youngsters. Yeah, Vijayaditya, what's your answer? What is wrong with this approach?
Sir, it may damage your critical thinking.
No, it is not conveying anything. No. Then your teacher or principal will ask, why do you want leave? What do you mean by personal reason? Right? They will not even accept.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pranati?
Sir, you are not clear with your question.
My question or
No, sir. I mean, which prompt you have put.
no, I just now I'm explaining zero shot prompting. In zero shot prompting, you just said create. Oh, let me show you again. Yeah, look at my prompt. Write a leave letter for tomorrow. I did not use any of my thinking capacity. I just said write a leave letter. That means I have to write a leave letter. I know. I did not even think. I just said this, and it gave me a leave letter. Imagine you print this or you email this to your teacher. Then teacher is definitely going to ask you, why do you want? What do you mean by personal reason? Why do you want to take a leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and I think somebody else had raised your hand. Yeah, Yadav.
So I hadn't understand what you had said, sir.
Now, have you understood? I'm just explaining zero shot prompting.
Yes.
Zero shot means you are not, there is zero thinking.
Okay, sir.
Because you know tomorrow you don't want to go to the, let's say, school or college.
Yes.
Whatever, either you are genuinely unwell, you are not well, or you have to go to a function which it's a very important function.
Yes, sir.
Or somebody is unwell or somebody passed away, you have to go to your native place, or somebody is admitted in the hospital. There are various reasons in which you may not be able to go to the school or college, right?
Yes, sir.
In leave letter, is it not better to mention the reason?
We need to mention because we have to give a reason for our leave, no, sir.
Yeah. Now, in zero shot prompting, that means you did not even think. Just because LLM, this ChatGPT, writes a leave letter which looks proper, means it looks good English. Okay, so you should not do it. Then you are also not learning. At the same time, the leave will not even be approved. So that's the problem. So zero shot prompting you should avoid. You should not use zero shot prompting. That's all the message. This moral of the story.
Yes, sir. Okay, understand.
Okay, now let's move on.
Sir, while asking to write a letter, we could give reason also.
Yeah, we'll come to that. So now it's a weak prompt, okay? So avoid zero shot prompting. That's the moral of the story. Now let's go into few shot prompt. This is the professional level. This is what you need to do. User will provide 2-3 examples of what good output looks like before asking the same question, how your leave letter should look like. Means, is it a request tone? You have to address your teacher or principal with request. Then there should be a structure. There should be formatting. There should be vocabulary, communication style. Here is an example. Okay. So now let's try to understand. Then I will give another example. You assume you have written blogs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media which is used by the professionals to write a blog, that is web blog. Blog means it's a short form for a web blog where you will write a essay or a post on internet. That's called a blog. I means here I am asking here I mean giving input of 2 LinkedIn posts, and I want to write a new post in the same storytelling style about AI in rural education. So now let's dissect this. I am giving the context. I am using the blogs which I have written previously, and also I am going to give them as the input. So I want the output, which is the new post in the same storytelling. I'm also telling which style it should use. Otherwise, what happens if I skip this? Write a new post. If I don't tell in the same storytelling style, it will generate a new style. It may not be in the story because it is not a magician. No, there's no way it can understand what style you want. For
Yes,
example,
sir.
you want to change the style, then you can say, I want it in the style which normally being written by, let's say, our principal. So you can mention somebody's whom you admire. For example, if you like my post, you can say, I want to write a post like Kiran's, how Kiran sir does it. Then obviously you have to give my LinkedIn link so that it knows who is Kiran. Otherwise, again, there will be thousands of Kirans in the world.
Yes, sir.
And also you have to say about what. Now, my earlier LinkedIn post could be about educate how to ignite the aspirations of students in schools. But now suddenly I want to write about AI in rural education. So you are now clearly telling what do you want. For example, treat this as your, let's say you are taking help of your friend. Now you don't have time, and since you have to travel, you will request your friend, can you please write, because you have to send it to your school or your another friend. So it is the same way, like how you normally tell your friend, your friend also you need to tell with all the instructions, so that the output which you receive is in line with what you expect. No magic will happen. Don't think AI can think for on behalf of you. So now, can you give me an example? Now I will just tell you what the context, or why not you come up with an example and give me a prompt. So this is definitely not a zero-shot prompt. So in line with this, can one of you give me an example? Either you can talk or you can just put it. Yeah, let's talk first. Bhavana Yadav, can you just give me an example? Yeah, I will help you to evolve. Just start creating the prompt. Start talking about the prompt. What is your hobby? Let's write a prompt about your hobby. What's your hobby, Bhavana?
Sir, my hobby is to write anything and read books and sleeping, sir.
Yeah, let's assume you read a book about what was the last book you read?
The last book I was read is something that Panchatantra stories, sir.
Yeah. So now you want to write a blog about Panchatantra stories.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me which language you speak at home. Telugu, Kannada, Hindi?
Telugu, sir.
Yeah, you can speak either in Telugu or in English. You want
Yes,
to
sir.
write a blog about Panchatantra stories. Now you know you should not use zero shot. Tell me a smarter way of asking this AI tool to write a blog on your behalf.
Mm.
Yeah, tell,
Blog, I can use.
don't worry about blog. Your teacher will say, write an essay about a book you read recently. Now you pick up your notebook and start writing. So tell me, how will you ask ChatGPT to give you an initial version as if you are writing it?
Give me a summary of the topic I have read given to it. I will
Yeah,
give a topic and I will ask it
no,
to.
topic in this case is Panchatantra stories. So
Yes, sir.
now you have to write an essay about Panchatantra stories. But instead of you writing it, you are asking AI to write. So how will you ask?
I will give a prompt that give me a blog about it or a summary about Panchatantra stories, sir.
That will become zero shot, no? Now you have to go beyond. Give me a essay about Panchatantra. You have to define.
Yes,
You,
sir.
yeah, I will come back to you. Yeah, Tamanna Khan, tell me.
Sir, it's Anam, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my answer, my prompt will be like, get me an essay of Panchatantra stories.
Hmm.
I'll give some opinions of my experience. Like I found it amazing and all. Then some part I'll extract from it and give this that I like this part. You add this and all points in that.
That's good. Yeah, we are moving ahead. So who? Yeah, let's ask Pranati. Pranati, how will you ask?
Sir, I would first give it an essay which I wrote previously and
Hmm.
say to follow the same order and generate another essay on the topic.
No, again, it will just add too much of value, no? So probably you might want to
Sir,
say,
may I answer the question?
just hold on.
Sir, the prompt
Umra,
would be like.
Just hold on. Because you are too senior, I want to help this high school
Okay,
student.
sir. Okay.
So, Pranati, what you need to do is, if you like something about Panchatantra, you can pick out that character. So you can say, I like this character in Panchatantra, especially this. You can give an example. Please elaborate on that in the essay. That's a really smarter way of hinting to the LLM like ChatGPT, so that it is going to focus on that. Then you will feel good. Yes, you had liked that character in Panchatantra. Then obviously it is going to elaborate. Then if you don't like it, in the next iteration, you can just say reduce this portion or give another example or elaborate it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like that. Yeah, Umra, go ahead. Umra, go ahead. Umra Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me your example. Now, how will you write an essay about Panchatantra stories in a smarter way?
The prompt would be like, I would say, write me a essay on Panchatantra in 500 words in common language, like common English, not too advanced, because it can be easily found that it's from AI.
Nice. Then you also, this is about the format. What about the content?
Content, I would say how, like, I would give a little way, like how I really don't have much knowledge about Panchatantra, so I'm not able to answer this question.
Yeah, we will find out. Who is sitting with laptop? I will give access so that we will see it live. Anybody is sitting with laptop? All of you are sitting with mobile, is it?
Yes, sir.
Pranati, you are sitting with
Yes,
laptop.
yes, sir.
I will give you access. Give me a second. So Pranati, Pranati, you please share your screen. I will help you. We will discover about Panchatantra. And so that I will illustrate an example how to write a good prompt. Yeah, open ChatGPT. Okay, just type, write an essay about Panchatantra. So I'm giving zero shot. Write an essay about Panchatantra stories. So just hold on. So this is another thing which all of you should note. Just hold on, don't hit enter. Write an essay. She has used the abbreviation ABT. Okay, now you are actually skipping an opportunity to remember about the correct spelling of about. So do not follow the shortcut. Always type full spelling. Do not use abbreviations. Yeah, can you type about?
Okay, sir.
So this is a good practice so that because it doesn't take half more second, right? So even though there's nothing wrong, it will work. But do not use this shortcut, otherwise you will skip your learning. Yeah, go ahead. So Umra, this is how you can also learn. Neither I know, even though I know what is Panchatantra, but I don't know the details. So
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yeah, first time you just give it because this zero shot is okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
go and fine tune this in the next step, because anyway, just click on that hide at the bottom. Stop share. Yeah. Now you can say, for example, here, Vishnu Sharma. Sorry, now let's look at some character. You can even ask which are the prominent, just type this command, which are the prominent characters. Tell me about the prominent, which are the prominent characters? Which are the prominent characters? Prominent. Yeah, press enter. That's enough. It will understand the context because you already typed. Okay, the lion. So now you can ask, I like the rabbit part. So please give one para about the role of rabbit in this, how rabbit has been portrayed. Yeah, I like the rabbit part. So please highlight how rabbit has been portrayed. Please highlight how rabbit has been portrayed.
Yes.
Yeah. So it did something. Okay. It gave you two response. You can choose one of them depending on what you liked. Okay. So now, can you combine all the three instructions which we gave till now and give as one prompt? You can just go up and down and copy them. That doesn't matter. First, we wrote which are the prominent. So if I want to make it as what is that we are trying now? We are trying the few shot prompting. How do you convert? Because we used a series combination of zero shot. Now we want to combine these multiple iterations into one few shot prompting. So can you combine this?
Yes, sir.
No problem. So write another essay highlighting what is KORE mean?
Sorry, sir. More about.
Okay. So another essay highlighting more about the rabbit, mentioning the characters. Okay. So like this, but here also you can improve it further, right? For example, you can even limit, I just need 4 lines, 5 lines. Or you can also say, I want in this format. For example, you want this as a summary of Panchatantra. Okay.
Yes.
Or it has to appear. I'm writing a letter to my younger sibling, my younger sister. So give me in simpler languages. Can you just add it? Go back to the prompt and you can edit it. Just go back and let's edit the same prompt. Yeah, click on the edit. No, edit. That pencil, the rightmost.
Yes, sir.
No, don't share. No, you hit share button. Close this window. Yeah, hit the pencil, rightmost. That one. That is for editing. Now we can directly edit. Now mentioning I am writing a letter to my sister. I am writing the letter, a letter. I'm writing a letter to my sister. A letter to my sister. To my sister. No? You are writing to her. To my sister. So make it simple and short. So make it simple and short. So anonymous, you have to tell your name. Press send. Click send. So this is a few short prompting. Okay. Now you see, you can take this, if you like this, you can directly send this as a letter. So now let's go back to the prompt. Let's discuss about the prompt. Yeah, be here. So who would like to explain this? Why this is better than zero shot?
Because zero shot takes time to give a perfect answer response.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, Sumuk, go ahead.
Sir, because zero shot is overall inefficient
No,
compared to
that's
few
okay.
shot.
But why we are calling this as a few shot?
Sir, because we are giving some kind of examples and some kind of definite instructions and experiences, opinions to it.
No. Let's look at what exact. Now write another essay highlighting more about the rabbit. So when I said highlighting, basically you're asking what exactly you want, because otherwise what happens if you don't mention this more about rabbit, it will generally give you a overall summary.
Yes, sir.
So now you are asking what exactly you are to write it about, and also you are also instructing. You are writing a personal letter to your sister. Imagine if you are writing, submitting an application for a competition, then the format will be different, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's change that. Pranati, can you just change it instead of you go back and edit the same prompt? Yeah, edit it. Yeah, edit instead of that. I am writing a letter. You just say I am submitting for a essay competition. Just remove this. Yeah. Now you just say I am submitting for an essay competition. Now you can see how the format and the content will be different for an essay competition. You will also say state level essay competition, so that it will be a bit for a state level. Just remove an and make it a, so that we'll also learn about the grammar. Yeah, press enter. Now you can see, yeah, press send. Oh, you forgot the competition part. Anyway, now you can see, earlier it was a letter. Now look at it, how elaborate it is generated. Just scroll down and see. So you saw, since it is essay competition, it made it large. So now I want somebody who has not spoken till now to speak about, did you understand zero shot and few shot? You can stop sharing, so that let's ask some of you. You can stop sharing. Yes, Priha, can you explain what is few shot? Did you understood what is few shot prompting?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me in very simple words? Don't have to repeat any of these.
Sir,
Uh,
in few short, we give more information
hmm.
and how it should design or do
Yeah,
something.
yeah. You are right. Now, to make it relevant, I will bring up another interesting slide. Just give me a second. All of you are learning Python. So now I am going to give an example of zero shot and single shot in the context of Python. So let's look at who would like to try this. Just raise your hands. Who would like to give me one zero shot prompt in Python for Python and one few shot prompt in Python? Okay, let's go with one second. Let me lower all. So Sumuk, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
So I will make you the host.
Sir, actually, I'm not in my computer, so
No problem. You can still do it in your mobile.
okay, sir.
Yeah, just share your screen and go to ChatGPT.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go to ChatGPT. If on mobile you will have an app, you can go to the app also. That's okay.
Yes, sir. I'll just go to this website only, sir.
No problem. Okay. Now type is zero shot prompt. For example, you are now learning Python.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, just whatever it comes to your mind, just type. Yes, I want you to type an example of a zero shot prompt in the context of Python.
Okay, sir.
Type something. Huh? Zero shot should be easy, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. You have to stop there. Otherwise, it will become few shot if you
Yes,
try.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, press enter. What happens? Let's see what happens. So, sure, bro. What do you want Python snippet to do? So, probably, have you logged in or have you logged into?
Sir. Yes, sir. I've logged in.
Yeah. Looks like since he is logged in, it is asking this further question because they have made it smarter. Yeah, just say simple AI program.
Yes, sir.
Just type simple AI program. So it gave you a program. Now, what is the problem with this approach? Now I want somebody else to answer. Vijayaditya, what is the problem with this approach? He just asks Python and it asks something else. No, keep it. Don't remove the share. I want
Okay.
to see the code. Huh. So what is Vijayaditya? Tell me what is the challenge or problem with this approach? This is zero shot. He just said create a snippet, and it asked choose one of them. He chose one of them, which came to his mind. So what is the? Will you learn anything in this approach?
Sir, he have not given reason what to.
Yeah. No, anyway, he just said, yeah, create a AI program. That's what it created, a AI program.
Sir, he did not specifically mention how it should be.
Yeah. Now, the problem with this approach is you will not learn, right? Because you didn't even know what you are asking for. It is like going to a hotel, give me something to eat. Now,
Yes.
now in the same thing, can you give a few short prompt? Yeah, same. You will start with the same.
Okay,
Generate
sir.
a snippet. Now qualify that.
Shall I edit this prompt, sir?
You did the prompt. Can you
Okay,
generate
sir.
me a simple Python snippet? Now give some additional details there.
Sir, shall I hit send?
No, tell me what exactly you are trying to achieve.
Sir, I'm trying to achieve to make the AI or LLM to just write a simple Python snippet to generate a file with containing the sample details of some students.
Now, what is the purpose? It just generates a sample detail of a student. For example, Kiran, 8th standard, this school, etc., etc. What will you do with that? In your
Sir,
context, tell me. You are learning Python. That's why I'm asking this. When you
yes,
are
sir.
learning Python, yes, creating simple Python snippet is good. Then, when learning is the end goal, tell me how it will help you to learn. because just generating a file with sample detail of student will not help, no?
Yes, sir. So I'll tell it to just guide me or just send instructions on how to generate on how to write the Python code.
Yeah, type that, no? No, now sample student might not be. Otherwise, what will happen is it will get complicated.
Yes,
It will
sir.
it will start teaching you how to write Python code with students. So you have to go slowly. So snippet is fine.
Okay, sir.
No, you remove
So
the generate also. If the purpose is for you to learn, you can just snippet. For me to learn about what? About something you have to write, whether it's functions, whether it's data type or variable. So like that. Give something you want to learn.
sir,
Learn
variables.
variables. If you want, you can also mention about you are in which standard, you are learning using CBSE curriculum. So that then what will it do? It will bring which is aligned to those curriculum. Yeah, can you mention that?
Yes, sir.
So another care all of you have to take, do not give any personally identifiable information. Do not tell your name. Need not have to tell your school name also. Just you have to like how Sumuk is using ICSE is good or CBSE, whichever curriculum that you can mention. As much as possible, try and avoid giving any specific detail. This is unnecessarily you are giving your details to the public. So let's avoid that. 8th standard studying CBSE syllabus or learn about variables. So, and if you know you are learning, are you preparing for any hackathon, anything that also you can mention so that, or any specific project, so that variables are, there are various types of variables so that it will help you to
Okay.
understand about it. But this is also good. Now let's say send. Yeah, let's generate this. This is better than the first one.
Yes, sir.
Click send. So now what will happen is it will, for example, if I ask, it will definitely give much more complex one because it knows I am a 35 years industry experience person. Whereas when you say I am in 8th standard in ICSE, it will be aligned to your ICSE syllabus. So
Yes, sir.
look at it, how simple example it is giving. Name is equal to Rahul, age is equal to something. Print name. Okay. Now, what happens here? It's also explaining. Name means stores Rahul. Yeah, just scroll down. Age stores third. Scroll down further so that let's see what all things it has done. Yeah, it has taken A and B. Okay. So, and it is adding and giving the output. So like this, since our prompt itself was so simple, it has also given very simple, and it is also giving you some hints. So now let's go slowly. So thanks, Sumuk. You can stop sharing. And now I want to ask if people have understood. Yeah, Dinesh, Karthik, did you understood the difference between zero shot and few shot?
Yes, sir.
So here is the homework for the next class. All of you, I am going to, now here is what, I will also put it in the chat window. You have to learn about, last time we learned about sorting, right? Learn about sorting using few short prompt. Okay, this is your in Python. This is your homework. I want to know how you are going to design your prompts using few short. Those of you who are comfortable, you can start sending on the WhatsApp so that in the group only you put it, so that others also will get encouraged to start trying. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Sir, what topic?
I have put it in the chat, no? Learn about sorting using few short prompt. You have to give me a few short prompt to learn about sorting. You need to learn about sort. There are various types of sort. You have to learn all of them. Now, I'm not going to teach you about sorting. It is your AI will teach you. I want to see you so that you can see the difference between how I used to teach, because last we covered about bubble sort and quick sort, right? We spent very elaborate time. Multiple experts came, including Priya was there. Then Sandeep sir was there. I had done about the bubble sort. So we went through a process. Now I'm just so that you can see the difference. Is it the advantage with going with now this few shot prompt with LLMs is you can ask any questions, whereas when I'm talking, you will hesitate to ask. And also now look at it, 15 of you are there. I am talking. So this is same thing in your class, right? There is only one teacher for 60 of you or 30 of you. If all of you have one question, then it becomes 30 questions to your teacher. So one period might not be enough for her or him to teach you. So this is the advantage. So here there is no limit. 24 hours you can keep asking questions as long as you stick to learning about sorting algorithms in Python. So that is the context. Any questions on about
Sir,
how? Yeah, Dinesh.
we have to send that prompt
Yeah, you have
that you gave for me.
Yes, you have to create a prompt and send it.
In where, sir?
Send it in the WhatsApp group. No, you're part of which WhatsApp group?
What, sir?
WhatsApp group. You're part of one of
Sir,
the.
actually, he's not in the group, sir. I will just add him in the group.
Okay, sure. Thank you, madam. So yeah, put it in the group so that I want all of you to get encouraged by the response which you are getting. So any questions about today's session? Hemalata madam, so do you think this method of teaching is useful?
Yes, sir, good. It's 100% useful. The way you're executing it slowly, interacting with the students and giving them space to think of it, it's very good way of teaching, I guess. So I believe in that, and you're doing it wonderfully. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. So Kirti madam, how are your Hyderabad students? Is it okay? Is it slower, or do you want me to go a bit faster?
Compared to last sections, they are trying to interact this time, and I'm happy with that. And they have missed all the sorting classes, and I think so because on that day link was not come and they didn't join the section.
No problem. Now they can make up. No? That's the power of AI.
Yeah.
You can make up for the classes which they missed.
Yeah. And because of this section, they also know how to give the prompt to AI because everyone use AI, but they don't know how to give a proper prompt.
Yeah.
So this helps them to learn more.
Yeah. Now I'll give you one bonus prompt so that all of you can assess yourselves. So you can just copy and paste in your LLMs. Give me a second. I'm putting it in the chat window. So you are okay. From now on, you are a quiz master. Your task is to ask me 5 multiple choice question about Python. For, let's say, high school students. Studying in CPSC. curriculum. Okay, so who else is there? Pranati, can you read the prompt?
Yes, sir. From now on, you are quiz master. Your task is to ask me 5 multiple choice questions about Python for high school students studying in CBSE curriculum. Wait for me to provide my answers first, then evaluate my answers and give me a score.
So is this a 0-shot prompt or few shot prompt?
Sir, few shot.
Yeah. Here, when I say from now on, you are quizmaster. When I am telling you, whom I am referring to as you?
AI.
Wonderful. Yeah, you can use any AI, whether it's ChatGPT, LLM, it's Gemini, or DeepSeek, or Grok. It will work in all LLMs. This is a generic prompt, and it's a few shot prompt. And also, you can see I have also I'm very clear. I need 5 multiple choice questions only, not essay right, essay or true or false. And whom I am asking for myself, you can change it. For example, if you are in any other, let's say diploma, you can say I am in diploma, and you can also mention about your curriculum. And in your case, for diploma students or college students, you can mention about your university aligned to Mysore University or so whatever the board, so that the level of these questions will be dependent on that. For example, if you say I am studying in Stanford University, the level of questions also will be quite complex. Even you can override at the end, you can also say make it simple because I am a beginner. So all those things are possible. So please try this prompt. All of you copy this into your mobile and you try this, so that this will also an excellent learning for you today. Okay, somebody else had raised your hand. Yeah, anybody has any questions? Any questions, anybody, about this prompt? Yeah, with Vijayaditya.
Sir, I cannot copy.
Okay, I will put it in the WhatsApp. So you are part of that Hippocampus WhatsApp group, right? Creative Learners Hippocampus. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see that in that WhatsApp. I will also put it in that HSR. So both Rangapur, HSR, and Hassan have it on your groups. And I will also put Sumuk, you are in Creative Learner 200 or Creative Learner 2?
Sir, Creative Learner 200 plus.
Okay, I'll put you there also. So, yeah. So this is a very, very useful prompt, even if you go to engineering or go to research. Just by changing what you want to learn, instead of Python, you can say English grammar or science or about the moon. It will keep asking depending that questions, and it's very powerful way to assess yourself, to know yourself. And yeah, this is a great way to revise your learning and to know where exactly you have to learn. So hope you will start using AI very powerfully. And I will also keep writing blogs about all these sessions in my LinkedIn profile. I will keep sharing the links, don't worry. And anyway, you don't have to have any LinkedIn. As soon as you click, it will just go there. I will make it public so that there's no complication there. Okay. So any last question before we close the session today?
No, sir.
No, I want, if anybody has questions, please ask. So Pranati, do you have any question about this prompt?
No, sir.
You're happy with what we covered today?
Yes, sir.
So like this, you can learn about anything. And interestingly, you can also change the language. Not necessarily you have to do it in English. So if any of you want to understand some, let's say some of the explanation in Kannada or Hindi or Telugu, you can change it and you can get that explanation. And you can make it a bit creative and fun fun filled. You can also make it to respond in a poem or a song, in the tune of your favorite singer or a composer. So like that, you can try some variety. So it will bring some fun into learning. Anyway, try it out and let us know. Keep sharing in the WhatsApp so that let's keep it vibrant and happy learning. Good night. Folks, you can say good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir. Bye, sir. Good night,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.